Hello, and welcome to Digital Spotlight, where we'll show you how to use your Mentor Public Library card to access amazing digital services from the comfort of your home. In this video, we'll be focusing on Niche Academy. Niche Academy is a collection of video tutorials that can help you become more comfortable using various online services, including the library's digital resources and popular social media sites. Follow these simple steps and get started today. First, go to the library's website. There are actually two ways to get to Niche Academy from the library's homepage. The first way is to click on the green Tutorials tab on the right side of the screen. This will display a list of available tutorials on part of your window. Click Close to hide the list when you are finished. The second way is to scroll a bit further down the page and click on the Niche Academy logo. This will open a new tab in your browser and you will see the list as icons. Now explore your options. If you know what you are looking for, click on the magnifying glass and use the search bar to find it quickly. Otherwise, simply browse by scrolling through the list of topics. When you've made a selection, click on it to access the tutorial. Press play to start watching the video right away. If you'd prefer not to watch the video, you can find a full transcription directly below. Tutorials are often divided into smaller sections, lasting a few minutes each. Use the green buttons on the bottom of the page or the table of contents on the right to navigate between sections of a tutorial. Whether you need a little help online or are just curious about some of the library's online resources, be sure to check out Niche Academy. Thank you for joining us for Digital Spotlight. Be sure to go to mentorpl.org and check out all the other amazing resources that are available to you through Mentor Public Library.